lumberjack. I grab some red snapper, steam fish. I grab some pumpkin and Irish cooked food. A lumberjack. Please to subscribe and like and share and leave a comment. This is part 5. If you're interested in part 5, leave a comment. Alright, I wash the fish now. Alright, peeps, look all, I have some onion, we have some garlic. We have some pepper and some scallion. We have some carrot and some pumpkin. We have some okra. Otherwise, we have some butter. All good cock soup put nice, no? Steam, we are steam it now, you know. So, add the water to it now. And come up here, come see what I'm going to do. Alright, see it? Look more water to it. Alright, good. Go back and take the store, let's go to the store. The fuck I'm going to the store now. Yeah, put down the cool now. Like the store. You see it? Alright. You go and go steam and you know. Yeah, see snapper them and steam down there. Yeah man. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Go and go subscribe and like and share and comment man. Look out for part 5, you know. Lumberjack I represent 7 time rise, I believe in that falling thing. Go and go check out and see what I go on. Subscribe in that sun there. So go the steam fish. Some caramel dumpling, pumpkin, Irish and banana. It's about the steam fish. Fish they are simmered and see it? Yeah man, pretty and nice. Smell good. Yeah my peeps, see dumpling need up there. See Irish peel, pumpkin, see banana there. See steam fish are ready. Pretty. Wow, delicious. At dinner time. Steam fish ready and cook. Yeah. Right? Snap a pot here. Yeah man. Snap a pot ready. Dinner time, you know. Yeah man, lumberjack in already man. I tell the food are nice. Steamed fish. Delicious, you know? So I go on that plate, eh?